the SoundPEATS TrueDot. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the SoundPEATS TrueDot. These are a budget pair coming in at $30. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The TrueDot features 4 hours of listening time, 16 hours with the case. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge both the earbuds and the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 7.2mm drivers, and the Realtek chip. It has touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. One thing you will notice is how small and light the case is. It's very simple in design and plastic all around. It reminds me of the Redmi AirDots that I have reviewed in the past. This has a two-tone color, the lid is gray and the bottom is black. On the back of the case you have the micro USB charge port and the status LED. The lid is easy to open and close. It uses magnets. The earbuds are firmly secured inside and easy to grip when removing. You can also see the ear indicators inside the case. The earbuds have a simple design as well, plastic all around, and it has a two-tone color, black on the inside and gray on the outside. You also have the ear indicator markings on the inside, and on the outer face you have a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, touch control, LED, and microphone. And here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of a few taps or holding down for a few seconds. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.2 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 22 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS TrueDot microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The overall microphone quality was fair during calls. It wasn't too low or too loud, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the SoundPEATS TrueDot. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds are very small and light and they are easy to put on. It just requires a slight twist to get them seated. They are comfortable and at times you don't even feel like you have them on. The touch controls are a plus since they don't add additional pressure when navigating. It also felt secure and had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is decent for what you would expect for $30. Very simple and minimalistic. They're easy to carry around and it's portable. Touch controls were responsive and there were no issues when navigating. The battery life does come in at the low end, and this is a trade-off because of the small form factor. The earbuds also don't protrude out and are very slim looking once they're seated in your ears. Now when it comes to sound, I would say this falls more on the bright side. The bass is tight and punchy, but not the overwhelming heavy presence. Mids and highs come in very loud and clear, and you get that boosted feeling with the sounds, but not to the point where it gets distorted. It remains clean and clear throughout, and vocals definitely stand out. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Volume levels also get high. Overall, these are a good pair, especially at the price point. This is perfect for those that are seeking out a simple pair that is portable and produce decent sounds all around. It can be used for casual listening or workouts. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS TrueDot earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.